Here we are today in Tesla's 5th year annual casino party. It's such a pleasure to have Dr. Laila Owens, chiropractic physician in Pembroke Pines. She's here aboard with us in Empresarios en Ruta. What a pleasure to have you aboard. How are you tonight?
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Have you been having a great time?
I've had a wonderful time tonight. Met lots of people, great music, good food, good vibes, wonderful time.
Well, we want to know a little bit more about you, doctor.
Of course.
There's a lot of people in the community that need good service. And we know that you have a lot of word of mouth, a lot of cases that come by, recommended by others, and that says a lot about you and your practice. So we want to know a little bit more about Dr. Owens.
Absolutely. Well, again, my name is Dr. Laila Owens. I'm a chiropractic physician. My practice is out of Pembroke Pines. We're located at 9091 Pembroke Road. I am seeing new patients. I have a following of wellness patients, and I'm opening my practice up and getting more patients in there who have been involved in car accidents, slip and fall, injuries. We see patients for whiplash, all sorts of injuries. My goodness. We're seeing patients for acute and chronic injuries. If you've had an injury or if you've had pain or dysfunction that you've had for a long time and you haven't been satisfied with the treatment for it, if you've had something that it just doesn't seem to go away, or if you've been involved in an accident or injury, I'm the person for you.
Doctor, some viewers want to know why is it so important to go to a doctor like you within the first 72 hours after an accident?
Absolutely. When you're involved in a car accident, you have adrenaline that's produced, and that's keeping your body's natural response is keeping you in a state of keeping your body happy to where you may not experience any pain. It's a protective mechanism. But within the first 72 hours, after 72 hours, you may start to experience a lot of pain. Even if you don't have any pain, your body has experienced trauma. That trauma can set you up for injury further down the line. So say you had a car accident, you were hit from the back, your neck goes forward and back, you may experience a whiplash injury and may not even know it. Or you could experience pain right away. Either way, it's very important to seek chiropractic care right away within the first 72 hours, because that's going to keep your body it's going to keep your spine aligned. It's going to keep your joints healthy and your spine healthy. We want to avoid you experiencing degenerative symptoms later on down the line. So if you get treatment today, it'll keep your spine healthy and it'll keep you from having to deal with problems later on down the line. The main goal is to keep your spine healthy. Your spine is healthy, you're healthy, you're going to feel better.
That's great news and good information and very educative to teach everyone watching. So now you know Dr. Owens is always available. How flexible are you, Dr. Owens?
Very flexible. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, we're open until 6 o'clock. I would like to mention as well, one thing that sets me apart is that I also treat extremities, or what I would also describe as knees, shoulders, elbows, ankles. So anything that's away from the spine, we treat those as well. Sometimes those things go untreated because the doctors are used to just treating the spine. As chiropractors, we do treat the spine because the spine is very important, but it's also important if you have a knee injury or you have an ankle injury or you have a wrist injury, you need to get those things treated as well. We don't ignore those, we treat those as well.
That is so important for the community to know, because sometimes they go to the wrong doctor. They just get an MRI of the neck, of the lower back, and basically that's it. And you have those, you're specialized in those areas, and that's very
right.
important for the people and for their case. So if they want to know more about you, where can they reach you?
Absolutely. You can reach us at 954-432-2244. call that number. You can also reach us on Instagram at Dr.Laila Owens. That's Dr.LAILAOWENS. Or you can reach us on our website at Owens Chiro Well. Again, that's Owens Chiro, CHIROWELL.
It's been such a pleasure having you here aboard on Empresarios en Ruta. May this be the first of many, many more podcasts that we can share with the community.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.